In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clone a scenario in Make. If you've ever wanted to test changes without touching your live automations, cloning is the safest and fastest way to do it. A clone is an exact duplicate of a scenario, same modules, same structure, and typically the same settings, so you can experiment, troubleshoot, or adapt it for a new use case while keeping the original untouched. First, log into Make. Once you're in, you'll land on the dashboard that shows your recent activity and navigation. Make sure you're in the correct team or workspace so you're working with the right set of scenarios. If you manage multiple environments, a quick glance at the workspace label can save you from duplicating the wrong item. Next, go to Scenarios. You can reach this from the left-hand navigation. This page lists all your automations. If you have a lot of scenarios, use the search bar or filters to narrow it down by name or folder. Clean names and folders help you find what you need faster, and they make versioning more manageable. Now click on the scenario you want to clone. Opening it gives you a clear view of its modules and layout, which helps confirm you're duplicating the correct build. It's a good moment to note any special settings, such as scheduling or error handling, so you're aware of what the clone will inherit. Look to the upper right corner for the Options dropdown. Depending on your interface theme, it may appear as 3 dots or a small menu labeled Options. This is where Make groups scenario-specific actions. Click Clone. Make will create a duplicate of that scenario for you. You'll typically see it appear in your scenario list almost instantly, often with copy added to the name. The clone includes the current configuration, so it's ready for safe testing or adaptation. At this point, many users like to rename the clone to indicate its purpose, such as testing, staging, or a date tag, so it's easy to distinguish from the original. It's also smart to keep it in an organized folder so your team knows which version to use. That's all it takes. Log in, go to Scenarios, open the one you want, open the options in the upper right, and click Clone. With this workflow, you can iterate confidently, try new logic, and preserve your production setup. Before you run a clone scenario in a live context, always review connections, scheduling, and any webhooks or data-sensitive steps to ensure everything behaves exactly as you intend.